everyone, this is Ashley Ellenboss with Sky House Herb School and Apothecary, and today I am going to show you how to make cucumber basil lemonade. It is delicious. Now, this is my fourth time recording this, so prayers that this goes well this time. I have a lot of lemonade. So I'm going to be making a smaller batch. You might want to double your batch if you want to be able to share this with friends. So what you're going to need is you're going to need fresh lemons. You'll need basil, cucumber, honey or sweetener of your choice, some water, and a blender. And that's it. It goes very fast. You could make this right before a party or just, whenever you're in the need for some refreshment. So I've already squeezed some of the lemons. And so I want to get about a quarter cup, which I'm almost at, but I wanted to share with you a trick for squeezing lemons efficiently. And that is to put your hand like this and make your hand into a sieve so that you can actually strain out the seeds and you don't have to scoop them out later. So I've done this. I've used, I've used 2 full lemons to get a quarter cup. But, again, if you might want to do half a cup of lemon juice, so double that if you want to make more. Then I have these small cucumbers, and I'm going to slice that up. I'm going to use about half of a cucumber. So if you are, again, doing a double, then just use a full cucumber. You don't have to chop it nicely. This is just going to be a rough chop because we're going to throw it all in the blender. And then I have fresh basil leaves. And so you're going to use about 3 large leaves or 4 small leaves, and you don't have to even chop them. And then I have a quarter cup of water. So next what we'll do is I will turn us to our trusty Vitamix. And this is a 1.5 pounds of watermelon my grandmother brought over. And I did try adding that to my last recipe, but I didn't like the color, right? I mean, it tastes really good. It's a little thick though, so I might not do that again. So, but this one I did, and it was delicious. So let me show you. Isn't that pretty? It's like this greenish yellow color, and then you can add a little lemon and then even like a little basil leaf in there just to make it look extra pretty. So that's what we're aiming for. So first I'm going to add my lemon juice, and oops, I have a few seeds that escaped my trusty method, and I'm going to pour them in, and I'm going to add in my cucumbers, my basil, and I might just rip them up just to help them get flatter in there, and then my quarter cup of water and some honey. I'm going to use about a tablespoon of honey. You can do more or less depending on your taste. You can also use agave if you don't use honey or another sweetener. Then I am going to locate my lid here, put it on, and I'm going to blend it. All right, now you want it to be fully blended, right? So you don't see any leaves or any cucumber pieces. And then the next part is just adding it to your cup. So let's just say, since I've used all my cups, since this is my 4th time recording this, we'll use this handy amber jar. So it's going to be the proportions are half the amount of this blend and then half sparkling water. And that gives it this really nice lightness. And it's bubbly and it's kind of greenish and frothy. Oh, it's so pretty. Then I'm just going to take this lemon and I'm going to slice it, put a little hole in it. This is kind of a fun, kind of retro idea for, a pool party, or maybe not a pool party, but like a picnic. You could serve them in amber jars. Although personally, I like being able to see that color. So anyway, I hope you like this recipe. It is delicious. It was a huge hit last night among my family when I served it for dinner. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you would make any changes, additions, and have fun with it. Try different things, maybe not watermelon, but you can try different herbs. Maybe you could do like peppermint and cucumber, or peppermint and basil, have fun with it. So it's a pretty forgiving recipe in terms of switching out the herbs. So thanks so much for watching, and have a great day and a good summer.